Hey everyone, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. Today I'm cleaning my downstairs and hopefully this will bring you guys some cleaning motivation. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just starting out in my family room area. It wasn't too bad, but I'm just straightening out the couch cushions and then I'm going to pick up the area. I'm excited because this is the first video that I'm filming with my brand new camera. I apologize for the settings. I had them set a little funky, so this video does look a little bit on the warm side, but I have since fixed that. So yeah, but thumbs up for my new camera. This was one of the last cleaning videos that I filmed during summer break, so you will see my kids in here, but they have since started back at school. So there I'm just putting up a few Lego toys. I do have a little bin there by the TV just for convenience so my little one can play. So now just moving on to the dusting part. I'll be dry dusting most areas first and then giving the furniture a good spray down with the cleaner. To spray down my furniture in today's video, I'm just using the glass cleaner from Brandless. I'm just trying to finish this up before moving on to another product. So I know it's not intended for wood, but it gets the job done. In this video, I do not include cleaning the kitchen. I actually have a separate deep cleaning of my kitchen that I just recently posted, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested. But I did want to point out that this will be one of the last videos where my kitchen looks this way. We have since recently done a project to update it, and honestly I'm not too sure how I feel about it, but ready or not, kitchen renovation is underway. I'm on the fence of whether to post that video or not, so if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification, so if I do post it, you will be notified. Renovations are one of those things where you never know unless you try, and I was not happy with our kitchen, so I went ahead and tried something new. For my TVs and any screens throughout the house, I try not to use any product, so here I'm just using a Norwex cloth. It's for glass and windows, and I get it a tiny bit damp and then just use that to remove any of the smudges, and it gets it nice and clean. As mentioned earlier, I have a couple bins here by the TV. One of them has like crayons and coloring books for my youngest son, and the other one just has a few of his toys and Legos to play with.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going.
I don't know where a lot of my viewers are from, but feel free to leave a comment down below. Let us know where you guys are from. But where we're at in Arizona, it is blazing hot outside and pretty humid too because it's our monsoon season. So we're just staying cool by staying indoors where the AC is. We don't do hardly anything outside this time of year. But I am looking forward to the cooler months, fall season. It is one of my favorite times of the year. Our track gets super dirty here, so I'm just giving this a good wipe down, getting all the debris and everything out that gets blown in from the outside. Now just moving on to our entryway and living room. I love this area just because, number one, it's white furniture, it's so pretty to me, but second, the white furniture does tend to hide the dust a little bit better, so I don't frequently dust this area because it's not as visible. So just giving this a good cleaning because it's been a while.
Find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking?
As I mentioned, fall is one of my favorite times of year, and I absolutely love decorating for that. So I'm excited to go out shopping pretty soon at the Dollar Tree, maybe hit up a Big Lots and just see what they have out as far as fall decor, and then decorating my home soon. This area over here is a little bit on the messy side. I have a bunch of like movie theater wall decor that I decided not to hang up. I purchased a really large wall clock from Sam's Club, and my husband went ahead and hung that up right above this area here. And then in the back corner there are all my kids' school supplies for going back to school, which now is cleaned up, but I do leave it here in this video because this was right before school started. We recently revamped this entire living room and turned it into a theater room, so I do have a video up on that if you're interested. It just shows you where it started from when we first moved in a few years ago to how it looks now, the whole flooring process and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, I'll try to remember to leave an iCard up above and a link below as well.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Now I'm just moving on to this little Lego table play area where my youngest plays, and as you can see there's that big old wall clock from Sam's Club that my husband has hung up for me. So I'm just cleaning up this area. We moved all of our kids' games, like board games, from upstairs in the playroom down to this little niche area. So a lot of the stuff down there on the bottom left are like movies and CDs that we just need to go through and get rid of. So I don't do anything with that today. I end up leaving that there, but I do clean up this area that was just housing a bunch of stuff.
Patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon, but I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you.
I found a couple of cute things on clearance when I did a Walgreens trip one day. The little purple flowers there and those two little pineapples, they were reduced significantly at Walgreens, so go ahead and check yours out and see if there's any good deals there. Moving on to my downstairs bathroom, I'm just going to clean this up as well. We did have company coming over on this particular morning, so I wanted to make sure this was nice and clean. For my bathroom cleaner, I'm using an old Method bottle and then some natural cleaner I got from Sam's Club. It actually wasn't from Sam's Club that I got it. It was like a vendor within Sam's Club, so I honestly couldn't even tell you the name of the product that I'm using, but it's like an all-natural cleaner.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind for the last time. Wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know shared.
This was one of the last weeks of summertime, as I mentioned earlier, so my boys are just chilling, watching some Fortnite videos. They do help a lot around the house to keep it picked up and stuff like that. In fact, here shortly I have them get up and fix the couch. So lastly, I'm just moving on to the floors. I'm going to give them a good vacuum. I have the luxury vinyl plank floors, so whenever I do vacuum them, I do not turn on the little brush roller. I simply use the hard floor portion of the vacuum. So once I'm done vacuuming, then I'm going to give it a good mop, and that will wrap up today's cleaning video. I speed this last part up quite a bit, but come on, don't we all wish that cleaning our floors was this quick and easy? I sure do.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over for the day, 'cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for, open up the doors I'm knocking on.
Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And that's it for today's cleaning video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Here I'm just showing you all the stuff that needs to be put away after cleaning downstairs. And also the boys were relaxing watching some EvanTube doing the drive-through challenge. So here are some after shots of the downstairs after it's been cleaned. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.
But you love me. Take me to